Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Plan 3D tutorial, and in this video we'll be learning about orthographic drawing extraction. Basically what we are doing is we are converting this 3D file into a 2D readable format. So let us begin without wasting any more time. Here if you see, I have used the same structure and the equipments and the piping models which I had created in my previous tutorials. So if you haven't watched the previous tutorial of structural modeling, equipment modeling and piping modeling, it's better you watch those tutorials first and then you can join this video so that you have clarity about everything. So coming back to our orthographic extraction, here when you go to our project manager, we have three bars here. One is source file, the other is orthographic drawing, and the third one is isometric drawing. So right now we are doing the orthographic drawings, so you have to click on this orthographic bar and make sure you have opened the project which you are working on. And after clicking on the orthographic drawings, you can see here there is an orthographic drawing folder. Here we have to create our orthographic drawing. You can right click and create the new drawing and name as per your project. I have already created a file, so I'll just open that. So after creating the file, you will get the screen like this, and here you can see that there is a template here, and this template is the default template by Plan 3D, and this template can be varied by using the project manager settings. And actually you do not worry about that, because wherever you're working, every company will have a standard template of their own, and that will be set by default. So whenever you open a file, a default template will show up here. So next, let us start with our orthographic extraction. So to create a new orthographic drawing, first you can see here we have some commands like new view, adjacent view. So we'll be learning all these commands one by one. So first let us create the new view. When I click on new view, it is asking me to select the 3D model of which you want to create the orthographic drawing. So here it shows me different 3D models which are present in my current project. I want to create the orthographic drawing of this model, that is test piping. So I'll check this box and click on OK. Sometimes the preview shows up here. I don't know why it is not showing now. That might be a software glitch. So don't worry, just click on OK. So when I click on OK, you can see here my 3D model has shown up. This is the same model which I had shown you in the starting. Before beginning with our commands, let me just give a brief introduction about this cube. See, this is known as an ortho cube, and whatever is covered by this cube will be displayed in your orthographic drawing. For example, see here the entire plant has been covered in this cube. So the entire plant, also like whichever view you select, like for example in top or left or right view, the entire plant will be covered. And if I trim this view to some point, so now only the half of the plant is covered in this view, so that only will be shown in our orthographic drawing. And you can move this cube or else just modify it by just extending this arrows. So this is what the ortho cube is. I'll just undo this so that it gets back to its original position. And here you can see the top side is shown as red. This is because here if you see in the left corner we have selected the top view. If I select the left view, you can see the left side of the box has been highlighted. In the same way, I can select different types of views which I want in my orthographic drawing. For example, I want top view now, so I'll select top view, and you can see the top surface has been highlighted. And if you want the front view, you can select the front view, and then the front view will show up in the orthographic drawing. So I'll select top view now, and next we have a Add Jog option. Add Jog option is basically used for customizing the ortho cube. For example, I will show you here. First let me just close this tool palette. If you see here in the top view, and when I click this box, you can see that it is giving me 4 directions in which I can extend this ortho cube. That is one here, one down, one left and one right. Same case, it gives me 2 options, that is in upper direction and one is the lower direction. And now when I select this Add Jog option, you can see here it is asking me select a top edge or a bottom edge of the ortho cube to create a vertical jog. That is, if I select this, for example top view, it is giving me more 2 directions in which I can extend this jog, and it has cut the full cube from top to bottom. See, I can extend this cube here and extend this cube here. And if I see from the top view, so when I extract the orthographic drawing, the top view of this part, cut part, won't be displayed. And next again, when I click on this Add Jog option, and the next option it is having is select a vertical edge to create a box shaped jog. That is, if I select a vertical edge, you can see it has created one more box, empty box. Here it has extended the cut from top to bottom, but here it has just created a small box. For this box, I can change the ortho cube in 3 directions. 2 are horizontal and 1 is vertical. Whereas here you can see I can extend only in the 2 directions, that is this horizontal and this horizontal. So this is the 2 options in which you can create the jog. These jog options we use when we don't want a certain part of the layout to be displayed in our drawing. So right now I don't need this jog option, so I'll just undo it. So I've undone everything about jog. So next, one more option what we have here is the 3D model selection. See, when I click on 3D model, again the 3D model selection menu has shown up. This is used to add some 3D model, or else you can also remove the models from here. But then you have to select at least one 3D model so that you can click on OK. See, if I select one model, I can click on OK. See, only the pump has shown, but I want this 3D model to show up. So this option is used to add or remove any 3D model from our OrthoCube. So I'll just click on OK by selecting my previous model. And next what we have here is load OrthoCube and save OrthoCube. Save OrthoCube is nothing but if you have a standard OrthoCube, like you have created a standard OrthoCube by changing these positions and you want to use the same OrthoCube in the next drawing, you can just use this option to save, and the load is to open the previously saved OrthoCube. This you do not worry. So next option is, if I expand this, you can see here there are 3 options: no hidden lines, hidden line piping, all hidden lines. So first, coming to no hidden line, when I select the no hidden line option and select this top view, what happens here is whatever is below this floor, here you can see I have a solid plate here. Below this floor I have a pump. So if I select no hidden line, this pump below or any other component below this solid plate won't be displayed. For example, whatever you are seeing here, the same type drawing in 2D format will be displayed. That is, you can only see the plates and some edges of the beams and the stairs and the tank. So same will be projected in a 2D file. Next, hidden line piping. So as the name suggests, in hidden line piping, the pipelines which are going below this floor will be displayed in a hidden line. But whereas the other equipments, other elements like this pedestal or the legs of the tanks won't be displayed, but only the pipelines whichever are going below this floor will be displayed. And next is all hidden lines. As per the name, whatever comes under this cube will be displayed under all hidden lines. So let us see these options for your clarification. First we'll go for no hidden lines, and I'll just click on OK. And here you can see now it is asking me to specify the insertion point of our viewport. So this square box is our viewport. I'll just click somewhere here, and depending upon your plant size and your system speed, it will take some time to generate this orthographic drawings. So you have to have some patience so that it generates and shows you up. Okay, so my orthographic view has been generated. See, as I told you, in no hidden lines, this was a solid plate in our plant. So whatever is there below this plate has not been displayed in no hidden line option. This pipe was projecting above the floor, so this has been displayed. Here in this side we had a grating plate which has holes. So here in these holes you can see some pipeline going, and this legs also, because this is a grating plate, it has been displayed. Okay, so next we'll go back to our OrthoCube. Here if you see, we have edit view option here. This option is used to edit this viewport. I'll click on edit view and select this viewport. So it will take me back to the OrthoCube selection. So now next, if I show you this hidden line piping, I'll click on hidden line piping, click on OK. Again you have to wait for some time. So now our drawing has been generated. So in hidden line piping you can see here whatever the piping which is coming below this solid plate has been displayed, but we also have a pump here which is an equipment which has not been displayed because we had selected the hidden line piping option. In hidden line piping, as I told you, only the pipes which are there in this cube will be displayed, not the equipment. So I hope you understood this option now. So we'll just check out our last option. So again I'll click on edit view, and the next and last option is all hidden line, and I'll click on OK. And again we have to wait for some time. Okay, so my drawing has been generated. So here you can see in the all hidden line options, everything which was under the ortho cube has been displayed, including this pump. You can see this pump was below the solid plate, the pump along with piping, and everything has been displayed in all hidden line piping. So I hope you understood the difference between those three options. So let us get back to our ortho cube. And the next option what we have here is insulation option. When you click on this and expand this box, you can see here we have three options: no insulation, solid line insulation, hidden insulation. So for example, I have insulation for this pipe and I select no insulation and click on OK. In my 2D ortho file, the insulation won't be displayed. And the next option, if I select this solid line insulation, my insulation will be displayed in the form of two solid lines. And next, if I select this hidden line insulation, it will be shown as a hidden line. So let me just show you one option, and the next two options you can explore. I'll just show you this hidden line insulation option, and I'll just trim this cube below the floor so that our piping is clearly shown. Yeah, this is fine, and I'll click on OK. And you have to wait for some time and our drawing is generated. See, you can see here this blue line is my pipe and the other cyan color line is the insulation. Here the insulation is shown as the hidden line, as I had selected the hidden line option. If you had selected the solid line insulation, this line would have been appeared as a solid line, same as the pipe has been shown. So I hope you understood this insulation option. So now I'll just get back to my ortho cube. And as I told you, you have to explore these two options. And the next option what we have here is the matchline option. See, matchline option here is nothing but when I click on this top view, you can see this cube has four corners. So when I select the match line and click on OK, it will create my drawing with a border taking this edges as the reference. That is, it will just create a box along these edges. So most of the time we won't use this, so we'll just keep it as disabled. So let us go to our next command, that is cut pipe symbol. See, cut pipe symbol as the name suggests. So when I have a pipe going which is getting trimmed, for example this pipe you can see here, I'll just extend this cube till here. So my pipe has been trimmed here. That is, if the full pipe is not shown, so it has trimmed or cut by this cube. And now when I click on OK, let me just make it as no hidden line and click on OK. And keep in mind that I am just streaming this video, then that is the reason this generation is looking fast for you, but it is taking a couple of seconds to generate the drawing. Okay, so my drawing has been generated. So here that was the pipe which was being cut by ortho cube, and you can see here the cut symbol has been shown. Before that I'll just reduce the line weight so that the symbol is displayed properly. See, this is the cut symbol which has been displayed. So if a pipe crosses the ortho cube, then a cut symbol will be shown if you enable that option. And if you disable this option, a simple normal circle will be displayed. So I hope you understood about orthographic explanation till now. And if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section so that I can clarify that. And coming to our next option, here we have is the scale. Scale generally set based on the sheet size. So whatever the scale is required as per the sheet size, you can set it from here. And paper check is when you click on paper check, you can see here only if your drawing will fit or not. For example, if I change it to 1:100, you can see here this is my drawing which will be shown up, and this is the sheet. You can see it is very small. So let me just increase the scale. For example, now again if I keep it as 1:30, this is how big my 2D layout will be shown on my sheet. So this is fine, and I'll just click on OK. And this will be the final generation of my layout. Okay, so my final view has been generated, and next let us go to other options which are present here. And coming to this adjacent view option, see here this is my top view, and in the same sheet if I want to create an adjacent view, that is front or left, right, back, whatever view I want, I can click on this adjacent view option and click on the viewport, and next it will ask me which is the view you want. For example, here I want the right view. I'll click on the right view and next click on OK, and it is asking me where I should place the right view. I'll just click somewhere here. Okay, here you can see that my view has been generated. This is the right view of this plant. So you can see here the tank is displayed here along with hidden line insulation piping. Since we had selected no hidden lines, see the pipe has been hidden behind this beam. If you want, you can edit this view same by selecting this viewport and clicking on edit view, and we'll get back to the ortho cube. So this is how you create the adjacent view. In the same way, if you want any other view, you can again select that adjacent view option, then clicking on the viewport, and this comes up. You can select whichever view you want. For example, now I want the isometric view, that is southwest isometric view. I'll just click on OK and click somewhere here. See, the template has to be big to fit all the 3 drawings in one sheet. If it doesn't fit, you can create a separate template for each view. So it depends how big your project is and what size of scale you are selecting. So now my view has been generated. You can see here the ISO view is here, my top view is here, and my right side view is here. Let me just scale this template. This is just to fit my drawings in one sheet, and generally we don't scale templates, rather we just move the drawings to a different sheet. This is just for representation so that you understand the drawing well. And I'll keep this here, and we'll change the background to black. To change the background, you have to go to OP command, and here colors, paper background, and give it as black, and apply and close. Okay, so this is my top view, this is my right view, and this is the ISO view, and we'll just extend this so that it covers the entire plant. I'll click on edit view, and right side we'll extend this auto cube and click on OK. So my view has been generated and all the 3 views of our plant are ready till now, and I hope you understood all the explanations which I had given in this video till now. And the next options what we have here is about the bill of material option. See, this bill of material option, I'm planning to create a separate video for MOQ of the piping, so I won't cover this part right now, so we'll skip to the other part. Till then, if you want to explore this, you can explore by yourself or wait for my video. And now next what we have here is the Ortho Annotate option. So this Ortho Annotate option is used for tagging the equipments or line numbers or valve numbers in these views. So for using the Ortho Annotate option, I won't select this. I'll just right click somewhere here, and you can see this, we have a Ortho Annotate option. When I go to this Ortho Annotate option, it expands, and here we have this different options like BOP, that center of pipe, and the rest of the things. So first, now I want the equipment tag, so I'll go for this equipment, then select this tag. And which equipment do I want to tag? This is that equipment. Here you can see the tag of the equipment has been displayed, so I'll just click on here. And next I want the tag of this pump. Again I'll select this pump and right click and then enter. So the pump tag has been displayed. I'll just place it here. Okay, so here also I'll just place the tag of this tank, just place it here. And next I want is the line number of this line, so I'll right click, Ortho Annotate, piping. See, I'm going for piping now, and then full line number call out. I'll click on this view and see the line number of this line has been displayed, so I'll just place it here. And if I want the line number of this line, I will select this line, right click, enter, and the line number is displayed. And next we have many other options in Ortho Annotate, like bottom of pipe. If I give the bottom of pipe and select this pipe, it will give the elevation of the bottom of this pipe. And next if I select the top of the pipe and select this pipe, it will give me the elevation of top of this pipe. In the same way, we have many other options like bottom of steel, the top of steel. If I click on top of steel and select this member, the top of steel is given as 3500. So if you remember, in our previous video we had given the elevation of this level as 3500. The same level has been shown here. About other options, you can explore all the other options, and if you have any doubts, you can just comment in the comment section so that I can take care about that in the next video or in the same comment section. And the next option here is about BOM. As I told you, I'll cover the BOM option in the next video. And these options are about dimensioning. I believe I do not teach you about that because it is just the basic thing about dimensioning the equipments or the members. You can just explore these options by yourself. See, and next we have this update annotation option. For example, here my tank name is TK101. And if I go to my tank and change the tag of my tank to TK102 and assign and save it, and then come back to my ortho drawing and click on update annotation. Here you can see my annotation has been automatically updated. So this is how if any tags or any line numbers has been changed and you did not go manually and select each and every line, you can just click on update annotation and it will automatically sync with the 3D file. So guys, I hope I have explained you about most of the options here except I think this. So let me just tell you. See, this is just like locate in 3D model. Select this option, and if I want to locate this valve in my 3D model, I have to just select this valve, and here you can see that the valve has been highlighted. In the same way, if I want to locate any other model like this pump, I can just select the pump. It will be located and highlighted in the 3D model. And this insulation tool is like when I click on insulation tool and I want to display the insulation thickness in my file, then I have to select the insulated pipe and it will show the insulation thickness, that is 25. In the same way, if I click on pipe gap tool and select any pipe, it will just create this pipe symbol over the pipe. Normally we don't use these symbols much. This is just to give more details to our drawings. So as per the project requirement, you can use whichever symbol you want. So guys, this was all about orthographic extraction in Plan 3D. And I think I have covered most of the commands that are involved in this orthographic extraction, except this bill of material command, which I told you that I'll be creating a separate video for bill of materials, how to extract bill of materials and stuff in Plan 3D. If you still have any doubts about orthographic extraction or about my previous videos or anything, you can just comment in the comment section and I'll clarify your doubts. And guys, I request you to please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and please watch my previous videos as well, and share all my videos with your friends, with your colleagues who are looking for some Plan 3D tutorial with some good explanation. And if you have any suggestions for me, like any changes which you want me to implement in my channel, then please comment in the comment section and I'll definitely consider your advice. So this was all about this video. I'll see you in the next video. So till then, take care and goodbye.